Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Chevrolet Blazer Premier. So far, I love this car. Windows a little dirty, but the exterior color is Summit White, jet black interior on maple sugar, which is beautiful. 3.6 liter V6 with a 9-speed automatic. Apologize for the wind. It is very, very windy today. Try to keep my back to it to help block it. Here's your key. Really pretty key. Lots of back seat room. Back seats are heated. All right. Inside, oh, it's beautiful. Very, very elegant interior. Everything is nice and soft touch. This is the Maple Sugar, which is a great color name. You do have the contrast stitching, which is nice. The wheel is full leather, which is great because you're going to be holding it all the time. This is an ingenious idea. So you turn this to change the temperature of the climate control, and then you move the knob here to open and close the flaps. That's a really, really neat idea. You have your wireless charging, you have 2 different USB ports, ventilated seats, heated seats, all your different climate modes. You have your main center display here. But yeah, let's go ahead. Oh wow. Nice little paper holder, pen holder, what have you. SD card reader, your wireless car your car charger. You do have manual mode, so you can go ahead and put it in low, and you can change gears with the knobs up there. Your 360-degree camera view. You can change, so that's the front. This is the top front view where you can see exactly where everything is. Really kind of neat. As stated before, this has a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder motor, and it provides a lot of power. It's just over 300 horsepower, so you're not going to be complaining for more power whatsoever. This is the Premier trim. So the Premier trim is the luxury one. It's the highest optioned one you can get. This one stickers for just about $45,000. If you do want a more sport-focused trim, you can spring for the RS trim, which has a sportier feel to it. However, it does have the same exact motor as this. So if you were looking for the RS trim just for more power, you can just get the Premier, because it is the same amount of power. Interior is very, very quiet, very refined. I also love the frameless rear view mirror. I wish more manufacturers would do that. You do have your panoramic sunroof. Again, looking at this beautiful maple leather. Maple Sugar is the color name. Has an amazing sound to it. One of the best sounding V6s I've ever heard. I love the center speedometer, how it's digital. You can reconfigure it to your liking. You have a bunch of different modes. You have your trip, your fuel range, remaining oil life, your tire pressures, your air filter life, timer, and then back to miles per hour. You do have radar cruise control as well as lane keep assist, which is great to have. Such a great sound. This also has a Bose audio system, which I cannot demonstrate due to copyright laws, but it sounds absolutely amazing. You can configure the equalizer so you can fine-tune the audio just the way you like it. But even in the stock setting, it has a great amount of bass, nice treble, and very nice clarity. The 9-speed automatic is absolutely fantastic. The throttle pedal does have a kick down function, so once you push it all the way down, there's a little bit of a click, and you can push it a little bit further, and that drops the transmission into the lowest possible gear without damaging the motor, and that gives you all the passing power you would ever need. The transmission is very quick to shift. It's very, very smooth. I absolutely love it. Chevrolet did an excellent job in engineering this transmission and this powertrain in general. The only indication that it's shifting is the sound. That's the only way you can tell. There is no lurching. It shifts really, really well. This is, I think, one of the best automatics, torque converter automatics that I've ever driven. Actually, I mean, it's better than most. It's better than most dual clutches too, except for, of course, Porsche's PDK, where that's completely out of this realm. As for class of this car and competitors, this is the mid-size SUV, so it's a little bit bigger than the Kia Sorento we just reviewed, but it's also smaller than the Sorento. It slots perfectly in the middle. So this is kind of with your Ford Escape, an Edge, like that kind of realm, and it's a very, very good option. I mean, for the top of the line trim running 45, that's really, really nice. You can get them into low 30s as well. And I think you can even get them into the 20s for an entry option, which is very, very tempting. After using the infotainment system for a good amount of time while I was getting used to the car, no complaints at all with that. Everything's nice, quick, easy to use. I haven't encountered any glitches or anything like that. such a great sound. Taking it down this back road here, handling is very good for what we have here. For a heavier SUV, it definitely feels really good in the corners. I'm not sure if the RS uses a different suspension. I'm thinking it does, so it might handle even better. But even so, it's really good. One of the best I've driven, I can say that for sure. Comparing the Ford Escape to this, I would definitely swing for this, and that's not me, saying that I'm working with Quirk, so I would go this way. That's not at all the case. Even if I wasn't working for Quirk, I would still go with the Blazer. I like the looks a lot better. I like the driving experience a lot better. I like all the infotainment better. Sync really isn't the greatest system in the world, whereas all this is great. The surround sound stereo is a lot better. So this is a much better package for a mid-size crossover SUV like this. In a world where every manufacturer is moving away from cars and sedans and stuff like that, if we have to have crossovers, I really hope they drive as well as this one, and they're like this one, because it feels like a car. That's something that really appeals to me, is it has to drive like a car. I can't feel like, I'm up in the clouds and sacrificing handling. So this drives really well. On that note, I thank everyone for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for future content, because this is only the beginning with Quirk Automotive. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.